Those who've been waiting for full approval should go get your shot now.
A critical step to getting more Americans vaccinated. The FDA has now granted its first full approval of a coronavirus vaccine, and it's already leading to more vaccine mandates.
As Chris Hoffman reports, this could now push more companies to require employees to get vaccinated.
According to a constitutional law professor with the University of Pittsburgh, state and local governments, as well as private companies, can tell employees to get the vaccine, or they can show them the door. Pitt professor Jerry Dickinson says companies mandating vaccinations is not new. In fact, the U.S. Supreme Court has ruled similar measures constitutional in the past, and many of us have already had mandated vaccines.
We've been doing this for quite some time. States currently require, residents to get wide range of vaccines by mandating children, for example, to get vaccinated before they enter school.
An epidemiologist and Duquesne University provost, Dr. David Dowsey, expects the FDA approval to cause more employers to take a closer look at vaccine mandates.
And you might also see changes in terms of the attitudes of employees related to the vaccine because of it.
He says many people who were hesitant when the vaccine was just authorized for emergency use might change their minds now with this official thumbs up.
You've already seen this. Some federal government agencies have started to come out and say that they are going to mandate the vaccine now that it is fully approved. And I think you'll see more follow suit.
According to Dickinson, exceptions include religious views and if medical conditions prevent someone from getting the vaccine. Where it gets murky is with any federal mandate to get the vaccine. Dickinson says federal law leaves some gray area.
It's unclear right now under the law whether Congress or whether the Biden administration, whether the White House could impose a nationwide vaccine mandate. The law is very unclear about that. And so we've heard a lot of people talk about whether or not Congress should act or whether the Biden administration should act. And I have to say this as a constitutional law professor, it is pretty unclear whether or not the federal government can force the vaccine mandate on persons. That really is left up to the states and local governments.
Now, here in Allegheny County, new employees were already required to get the vaccine. But I'm told it's too early for county leaders to make a decision on mandating it for current employees. As for the city of Pittsburgh, Mayor Bill Peduto says it needs to go through the law department.
There seems to be almost universal support within the unions themselves if we did move in that direction. But as of today, we don't have a legal opinion to say if it's something that we can pursue.
Several local companies tell us that they're still mulling over any vaccine mandate. Some say it's still optional, others say it's strongly considered. Now, Mon Health down in Morgantown says today it will require the vaccine of its employees. Chris Hoffman, CBSN Pittsburgh.